digitally driven world, IT support plays a pivotal role in ensuring that organizations operate smoothly and efficiently. As businesses increasingly rely on complex systems, servers, and networks, the demand for knowledgeable and skilled IT support professionals has never been higher. Whether it is troubleshooting hardware failures, managing user accounts, or resolving network issues, IT support specialists serve as the backbone of an organization's technology infrastructure. Preparing for an IT tech support interview can be a challenging process, especially for those aiming to work in roles that combine system administration and networking responsibilities. Interviewers typically assess a candidate's ability to handle real-world scenarios, evaluate their understanding of IT fundamentals, and gauge their capacity to stay calm under pressure. This presentation has been meticulously designed to equip aspiring IT professionals with the most common and essential interview questions and answers. Covering a balanced mix of system administration and networking topics, it provides insights into areas such as DNS, DHCP, RAID configurations, firewalls, and IP addressing. Moreover, understanding these questions not only helps during interviews but also enhances day-to-day job performance. When an IT professional is familiar with troubleshooting steps, networking protocols, and system management tools, they can quickly and efficiently resolve issues, ensuring minimal downtime for the organization. Finally, this presentation serves as both a study guide and a confidence booster. Whether you are a fresh graduate looking for your first role or an experienced technician seeking career advancement, mastering these questions will increase your readiness and leave a strong impression on potential employers. Tech support interview questions and answers. 1. What is Active Directory? And what is it used for? Answer. Active Directory, AD, is a directory service developed by Microsoft that is used to manage and store information about resources on a network. It helps administrators organize users, computers, and other resources into a structured and centralized environment. AD allows for centralized user authentication, authorization, and access control within a Windows domain network. 2. Explain the difference between DNS and DHCP. Answer. DNS, Domain Name System, translates domain names, like www.example.com, into IP addresses, enabling users to access websites or network services easily. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, on the other hand, automatically assigns IP addresses and other network configuration parameters, like default gateway and DNS servers, to devices on a network, ensuring efficient IP address management. 3. What is RAID? And what are its types? Answer. RAID, Redundant Array of Independent Disks, is a data storage technology that combines multiple hard drives to improve performance, redundancy, or both. Common RAID types include RAID 0, striping, improved speed, no redundancy, RAID 1, mirroring, data copied on 2 drives for redundancy, RAID 5, striping with parity, redundancy and performance. Needs 3+ disks, RAID 10, combination of RAID 1 and RAID 0, mirrored plus striped, needs 4+ disks, 4. How do you troubleshoot a network connectivity issue? Answer. Check physical connections, cables and Wi-Fi signal. Verify IP address configuration using ipconfig or ifconfig ping, the default gateway to check local network reachability. Use tracert or traceroute. To diagnose root issues, check DNS resolution using NS lookup restart network adapter or device. Ensure firewall settings are not blocking traffic. 5. What is the purpose of a firewall? Answer. A firewall is a network security device or software that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. Its primary purpose is to block unauthorized access while permitting legitimate communication, protecting a network from threats like malware, hackers, and data breaches. 6. What is the difference between a switch and a router? Answer. A switch connects devices within the same network, LAN, and forwards data based on MAC addresses, enabling communication between computers and printers. A router connects different networks together, e.g., a home network to the internet, and routes data between them using IP addresses. 7. How do you reset a forgotten Windows administrator password? Answer. Boot the system with a Windows installation media. Select Repair your computer. Greater than Command prompt. Replace utilman.x with cmd.x. Reboot and press the Ease of Access icon to open Command prompt. Use Net User Administrator new password to reset the password. Note: this should be done with permission in a legal and authorized environment. 8. What is an IP address, and what are the classes of IP addresses? Answer. An IP address is a unique identifier assigned to devices on a network to facilitate communication. IP addresses can be IPv4, 32-bit, or IPv6, 128-bit. IPv4 address classes. Class A, 1.0.0.0 to 126.255.255.255. Class B, 128.0.0.0 to 191.255.255.255. Class C, 192.0.0.0 to 223.255.255. 224.0.0.0 to 239.255.255.255. Multicast, Class E, 240.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. Experimental 9. Explain the concept of subnetting. Answer. Subnetting divides a large IP network into smaller, manageable subnetworks, subnets. This improves network efficiency and enhances security by reducing broadcast domains. Subnetting is done by borrowing bits from the host portion of an IP address to create additional network addresses. 10. What is SSH, and why is it used? Answer. SSH, Secure Shell, is a cryptographic network protocol used to securely access and manage devices remotely over an unsecured network. It encrypts data transmission and provides secure command line interface access to servers, switches, and routers. 11. What are the common TCP/IP protocols? Answer. HTTP, HTTPS, Web Traffic FTP, SFTP. File Transfer SMTP, sending emails POP3, IMAP, retrieving emails DNS, Domain Name Resolution DHCP, Automatic IP Assignment SSH, Secure Remote Login Telnet, Remote Access, Less Secure, SNMP. Network Management 12. How do you back up and restore Active Directory? Answer. Use Windows Server Backup to back up the system state. Includes add. To restore. Boot into Directory Services Restore Mode, DSRM. Restore the system state backup using Windows Server Backup and restart the server. 13. What is NAT? Network Address Translation. Answer. NAT is a technique where private IP addresses are translated into a public IP address, and vice versa, for Internet communication. allows multiple devices on a private network to share a single public IP address, improving security and conserving IP space. 14. How do you check open ports on a server? Answer. Use netstat-in or netstat-aon in command prompt. Use PowerShell. Get net TCP connection. Use port scanner tools like Nmap for detailed analysis. 15. What is a VLAN? Answer. A VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network, segments a physical network into multiple logical networks, improving performance and security. Devices on the same VLAN can communicate as if they are on the same physical LAN, even if they are on different switches. 16. How do you join a computer to a domain? Answer. Go to System Properties, Change Settings. Click Change under Computer Name. Select Domain. Enter the domain name. Enter Domain Administrator credentials. Restart the computer. 17. What is group policy, and how is it applied? Answer. Group policy is a Windows feature that allows administrators to manage settings for users and computers in Active Directory. It is applied through group policy objects, GPOs, which are linked to sites, domains, or organizational units, OUs. 18. What is a DNS forwarder? Answer. A DNS forwarder is a DNS server configured to forward queries it cannot resolve locally to an external DNS server, reducing lookup times and improving efficiency. 19. How do you configure static IP on Windows and Linux? Answer. Windows, Settings, Network and Internet Adapter Properties greater than IPv4, greater than manually enter IP, subnet, gateway, DNS. Linux. Edit, etc. Network, interfaces or use NMCLI or IP command to configure static IP. 20. What is the purpose of the hosts file? Answer. The hosts file is a local file that maps domain names to IP addresses, allowing manual control over DNS resolution before external DNS servers are queried. How do you troubleshoot a printer issue on a network? Answer. Check physical connections and power. Ensure printer is online and has no errors. Verify IP address configuration. Test printing locally and over the network. Reinstall printer drivers. Restart print spooler service. 22. What is SNMP? Simple Network Management Protocol. Answer. SNMP is a protocol used for monitoring and managing network devices such as routers, switches, servers, and printers. It collects and organizes information about devices and can send alerts if issues arise. 23. Explain the difference between TCP and UDP. Answer. TCP. Connection-oriented, reliable. Guarantees delivery, error checking, e.g., HTTP, SMTP. UDP. Connectionless, faster, no delivery guarantee, e.g., DNS, VoIP, streaming. 24. How do you configure a DHCP reservation? Answer. In DHCP Server Console, right-click Reservations, New Reservation. Enter reservation name, MAC address, and IP address. Save to bind a specific IP to a device. 25. What is a default gateway? Answer. A default gateway is the device, usually a router, that forwards traffic from a local network to external networks like the Internet when the destination IP is outside the local subnet. 26. How do you map a network drive in Windows? Answer. Open File Explorer greater than, this PC, greater than, map network drive. Choose drive letter and enter folder path, e.g., server, share. Check, reconnect at sign in, if needed, and click Finish. 27. What is load balancing? Answer. Load balancing distributes network or application traffic across multiple servers to ensure no single server is overwhelmed, improving performance and availability. 28. How do you monitor server performance? Answer. Use Task Manager and Resource Monitor, Windows. Use Performance Monitor, Perfmon, for advanced metrics. Use tools like Nagios, Zabbix, or SolarWinds for enterprise monitoring. 29. What is a service pack, and why is it important? Answer. A service pack is a collection of updates, fixes, and enhancements for an operating system or software, improving security, stability, and performance. 30. How do you manage user permissions on a shared folder? Answer. Right-click Folder greater than Property Sharing greater than Advanced Sharing. Set share permissions. Go to Security tab to configure NTFS permissions for fine-grained control. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering IT tech support interview questions is crucial for anyone aspiring to succeed in system administration and light networking roles. The ability to articulate clear, concise answers not only demonstrates your technical knowledge, but also showcases your capacity to communicate effectively, a vital trait in support roles. Throughout this presentation, we have explored critical topics such as network troubleshooting, server management, and essential protocols like DNS, DHCP, and SSH. We also covered concepts like Active Directory, RAID, and firewalls, which are central to maintaining secure and efficient IT environments. Moreover, these questions encourage a deeper understanding of how interconnected IT systems are and how different tools and technologies interact within an organization. By continuously practicing and refining your answers, you not only improve your interview performance, but also build a stronger foundation for on-the-job tasks. It is also worth emphasizing the importance of soft skills, such as patience, empathy, and clear communication, especially in IT support roles. Technical issues can be frustrating for users, and your ability to guide them calmly and confidently will set you apart. Ultimately, thorough preparation, confidence, and a genuine interest in technology are key ingredients for success. By reviewing and mastering these 30 questions and answers, you are taking an important step towards achieving your career goals in IT support. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. I hope this presentation has helped you prepare for your IT tech support interview. Wishing you the best of luck in your career journey.